Today, I am speaking to all of you realtors out there, all the agents in San Diego County and beyond across the nation. If you've been in the industry a year, less, you're just looking to get your license, or you are a vet who has been around and has a mega team. I am somewhere in the middle of that, so I would like to share with you why I joined eXp. And not only that, but how it benefits you to do your job, which is buy and sell homes, right? So number one, being the first cloud-based brokerage. We know that technology is pivotal, right? And having a brokerage that understands that is so important, because long gone are the days of brokerages with bricks and mortar. It causes a lot of overhead. You know, you're paying a lease, you have staff. So this allows you to have your license hung within a brokerage that then allows you to be an entrepreneur and build a team without having an office, right? So number one, that's pretty great. But number two, the power of eXp and its growth today. So what I noticed, and I want to share this on a local level, I am in the Poway, Rancho Bernardo area, and I was one of the few that joined eXp a couple years ago. And what I realized is there are veterans that I look up to in my community that have been with big name brokerages for many, many, many years. And in the past 2 months, they have also joined eXp. So what that means as an agent is now when you're working within your community, you can rely on the communication with them and the relationships that you build because you're in the same brokerage. Not only that, but within eXp, we share off-market properties. So if you are a listing agent primarily, now you have an opportunity to match those with buyers prior to even going to a listing appointment. So you have a list of buyers to deliver during the meeting, and there's so much power in that. And then thirdly is also, if you are within eXp, you have a conversation about potential buyers and homes on the market, knowing firsthand, but you have a slew of buyers agents that can talk to you within your brokerage. And being the fastest growing brokerage, listing more homes within at least our local market and definitely on the East Coast, and it's spreading like wildfire everywhere. The whole point is that eXp is agent focused. It's an agent focused culture. So having the power of relationships, communication, but then also the leverage to serve your sellers when you're going to a listing appointment, having buyers ready to go, but also knowing that if you need to lean on your brokerage, you have a team of agents locally or out of state that can help you find the right buyer. So as an agent, consider that whether you are a veteran or a new agent, and vets, listen up. So does your brokerage, or has it ever allowed you to purchase stock, have a rev share plan? So that's pretty amazing. With every transaction, you can purchase eXp stock, and you can also sponsor a few agents, mentor them, and build your own team. So there's additional income and a pipeline along that way. So if you've been in the industry 20 years and you might not be interested in going door knocking anymore or doing transactions night and day, you have an opportunity to build a business by supporting other agents and sharing your knowledge. So call me, I'm Karlee VanDyke, or text me eXp at the number below, because you're not just talking to me, you're talking to a powerhouse of veteran agents that have been there, done that, and have found a better way to support the future and help you expand your business as well. I look forward to the conversation, and I can't wait to welcome you to eXp.